everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by, coming on back, and all that great stuff. So, I was thinking I haven't made pancakes for a very long time, and I love pancakes, so I decided to bring you this recipe. It's banana buttermilk pancakes. They're super easy, they're really delicious, and I think you'll really enjoy them. So if you want to stick around and see how they turned out, then keep watching. But before we get started, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I want to thank all of my new subscribers, and don't forget to turn on those notifications, and that's just going to notify you every time I upload. So enough talking, let's get cooking. So to make these pancakes, I'm going to use two extremely ripe bananas, the kind that you see and you feel like you want to throw away in the trash. No, the riper they are, the sweeter they are. So just chop them up and just put these in the batter. I'm also going to use a half a cup of buttermilk. I measured out 1 cup of all-purpose flour. I also have 2 eggs. Also 1 teaspoon of baking powder and baking soda. In a medium bowl, I'm going to go ahead and add in my bananas, and you can either grab a fork or I have a potato masher, and I'm going to go ahead and mash up my bananas. Now I'm ready to add in my buttermilk, my 2 eggs, and I'm just going to grab a whisk and mix all of my wet ingredients together. Now I'm going to go ahead and combine my dry ingredients. So there's my flour, my baking soda, and the baking powder. And again, I'm going to go ahead and grab my whisk and make sure that everything is mixed and combined really well. Don't overmix, and if you see some lumps, that's perfectly okay. Now that I'm done mixing the batter, I'm going to head on over to the stove. Now over medium heat, I'm going to go ahead and warm up my flat grill. I'm going to go ahead and also melt some butter and just take a brush and just spread it around, making sure that everything is spread out evenly, getting it ready to cook the pancakes. Now I'm ready to make some pancakes, and it's really easy. Just go ahead and pour out a little over a cup of pancake batter onto the hot grill. And you're just going to let it cook for a couple of minutes, and as you can see it cooking, you can see the bubbles forming at the edge of the pancake, and that's just going to give you a little indicator of when it's time to flip, like this. And you just grab a spatula and then you just carefully flip the pancake, and that's pretty much it. And you just let this cook for another couple of minutes, and you just continue to make your pancakes until all your batter is done. So we're all done making all of our pancakes, and now I can just serve them up on the plate. And I'm gonna begin spreading on my favorite toppings. I love melted butter. You can put whatever you want on your pancakes. And I'm also, because they're banana pancakes, I'm gonna also top it off with some banana slices and of course some yummy warm syrup. And we are pretty much all done. It's super easy and perfect for any day of the week. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Share this video with everybody you know. And if you give this recipe a try, please let me know in the comment section down below and let me know what you think. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel by clicking that box you see right there. And if you want to see another video, go ahead and click that box you see right there. Until then, thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate you all, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye-bye.